We are on video number 3 in our healthy dinner recipe series. For this meal, we've got mango salsa fish tacos and we've got Mexican rice. I went with cod as the fish only because I don't eat it that much. If you prefer shrimp, this would be really good with shrimp as well. So take your pick, whatever you prefer. Start by getting your rice ready. So take a half cup of rice, a half cup of tomato sauce, and then a half cup of bone broth. Mix everything together. Then for the seasonings, I'll add paprika, cumin, and chili powder. I don't measure out the seasonings, just put a little bit in. If you want it spicier or you have a preference on liking one more than the other, then add a little bit more paprika or add a little bit more cumin, but just put a little bit in, don't go too crazy. Mix everything together and you'll be ready to go. To cook the rice, I'll put it on the stove at medium heat for the first 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I turn it down to low and let it sit for another 20 minutes. So keep that in mind as you're making that and trying to make sure that it lines up with when your tacos will be ready. For the salsa, cut up your mango, put it into a bowl, then you'll take your pepper. So I use red pepper for this. Same thing, slice it up into smaller pieces, add it to the bowl. We've got our red onion next, and I really thought when I was making this that the red onion was gonna be pretty spicy and stand out. The mango really cools it down and they surprisingly go well together. So add your red onion in there. Take a lime, squeeze as much lime juice as you can, and finally you'll add honey. There's no right or wrong amount of honey you can do for this. Put some on, try it out, mix everything together. If you feel like you need more, put more on top. And that is all you'll need for the salsa. Now we're getting ready to start cooking everything. I used frozen cod for this. My packaging said 425 degrees for about 18 minutes. Make sure you check your packaging. Yours could be a little bit different. I also boiled corn for 5 minutes so I could slice it up and add it to the Mexican rice. Once the rice has cooked for 30 minutes and the cod is close to being done, I'll take a tortilla, put my favorite cheese on there, and I'll start toasting it for a couple minutes just to get it warm and get the cheese melted. That way I'm able to add the cod once it's finished, and then I can add the mango salsa on top. Once you try out this recipe, please let me know what you think, and I'm really curious if there's anything you think would be a good addition to this taco. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like it, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Every few days, I'll be coming out with new healthy dinner recipes. The goal is to have a place to go to find healthy recipes of meals that still actually taste good. I hope you guys enjoy.